So this video has gotten 10,000 views right from the day this video is published. I don't know if you guys can see it here. This is it, 10,000 views. And yes, at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how much YouTube pay me for 10,000 view video, okay? Can you guys see it? I'm going to show you how much YouTube pay me. So yeah, let's just go. In this 2024, where content creating now become the major oil money of the day, a lot of people are just diving into creating content, okay? When I mean creating content, lifestyle, how to make money, any kind of content, gaming at all, the most important thing that people just want is, okay, let me just be able to create content out there and then be able to make money out of what I am creating. I've done a lot of videos of how much YouTube pay me with different type of views, but I have not done a video of how much YouTube pay me for 10,000 views. And I have been waiting patiently so that this video can actually get to 10,000 views and I can be able to also relate to you guys how much I've been able to make on YouTube this 2024 for 10,000 views as a Nigerian content creator. First, if this is your first time of hearing about YouTube, before you be able to make money on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. And if you want to use your shorts to monetize it, you need 10 million shorts. If you've not checked out my videos and other tutorials I've been doing about YouTube, please do well to check, because I know that it is definitely going to help you as a new content creator or as someone that is already creating content but don't know how to go about it. And for you to be able to get your videos monetized down there, you should also know the basic rules and regulations of YouTube so that you don't end up going against their policy, which is very, very important. In this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you how much I've been able to make for a 10,000 view video this 2024. And why this video is so special to me is because this video is posted 9 days ago. That is to tell you that barely 2 weeks, and this is how much this video has been able to make. Don't get me wrong, to some persons it might be high, while to some persons their revenue might be low, depending on the kind of content you're putting out here. What kind of advertisers are willing to pay for your videos, for their products to be advertised on? Because for me to tell you the absolute truth, YouTube is not paying us anything. What is paying us is the adverts that are displaying on all these videos that you're watching. So if you're watching this video and in one way or the other you get to see any adverts display, please support your girl and enable that advert to play from beginning to the end. That's the only way the coins can at least increase a bit. Another thing that you need to know when it comes to having views here is nobody knows what can actually go viral, okay? So just put in the work, and one thing I can assure you is that definitely YouTube is going to pay you one day, okay? Beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do have to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share, okay? Anyways, with no further talking too much, I'll just go right into my screen record so that you can be able to see how much YouTube is able to pay me for 10,000 view video. So with that being said, I'll move into starting my screen record. And I'm going to be doing silent screen record, and I'll be attaching it here or here, so whichever one. So this is my studio, and let's move into this video. Where is the video? Let's move into this video. This video is a video I did on how much YouTube pay me for 40,000 views. And this video is posted 9 days ago. That is to say this video is not up to 2 weeks. So now we are going to click. This video is also a video of 16 minutes, 44 seconds, okay? So I'm going to click this video. And once I click, I'm going to scroll down and then click the analytics of this video, okay? So right from when this video is published, the overview is the video has gotten 10,560 views since it was published. And you can see it here. This is the views, and you can see how the views started from 0 to each spike that is going to. And then how viewers found this video, YouTube recommendation, channel page, other browse feature, YouTube search, and others, audience retention. For a video of 16 minutes, 44 seconds, people are watching at least 2 minutes, 55 seconds. Initially, when this video started picking, when this video was posted earlier, this video, people were watching up to 6 minutes of this video. So you can see that the more is going, maybe probably people are not watching the way it's actually dropping down. So this is the key moments of the video. And for the real time of this video, which is 48 hours, for the past 48 hours, I've gotten 483 views. And you can see top traffic source, browse features, suggested videos, YouTube search, channel page, and other YouTube features. Now let's go to the reach of this video. For the reach of this video has gotten an impression of 124.6k, and for 124.6k, how about when I'm supposed to watch at least up to 40? But anyways, I'm grateful. Thank you so much, guys. I really do appreciate you guys, okay? And how viewers found my videos, you can see it there. Browse features, external sites or app, WhatsApp, whatsapp.com, and Gmail. How? Gmail, how? Do people watch videos through Gmail? Anyways, YouTube search them, Vibe with Sonia, which is my content, Facebook monetization in Nigeria, and YouTube Shorts. I think probably this YouTube Short is attached to, based on my hashtag or something like that. I don't know. Content suggesting this video. You can see it's also my content that are suggesting this video, which is before getting monetized, how much YouTube pay me. I just lost my YouTube channel monetization, earnings on YouTube, and other people's own as well are also suggesting. Then for my playlist featuring Miss and what, how much YouTube pay, because I always attach my playlist as an end screen to it. Then let's go to the engagement of this video. For the engagement of this video has gotten a watch time of 513, and the audience retention 2 minutes 55 seconds for lifetime. Likes and dislikes, you can see it here. So let's go to the audience of this video, okay? For the audience of this video has gotten 4.5 returning viewers, and of which is something to be grateful for. That's to say, for the 10k people that have watched this video, 4.5 people are still coming back to like watch the video over and over again. Then for the age, between age 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, and of which is something to be grateful for too. For genders, you can see that both male and female are actually watching this video. And for my top geographicals, we have Nigerian, we have United States, and we have Ghana. And if I'm able to click, I'm going to be seeing more. We have United Kingdom, and then we have Kenya as well. Shout out to you guys, okay? You can also see that the country watching this video are one of the sweetest top countries, okay? So top subtitles and languages, you guys know that most of my videos, I don't subtitle them, but auto-translate. I think I always on my auto-translate, and you can see French is auto-translating it. Watch time from subscriber, you can see it here. And then let's go to the revenue of this video. For the revenue of this video has been able to generate $27.92. This video has been able to generate $27.92, and it's really something to be grateful for. For the first time of posting this video, you can see from zero, I got $9.40. Then I got $18.80. Then I got $28. Now, right now, like this is giving us $27.92, okay? Because some other views have not been totally calculated and putting it and adding inside or so. Then how you make money? Watch paid ads, YouTube Premium, video performance. I have what 27 for every 1k view that I get to make. This video is going to be making $2.70. Then how much advertisers pay? Advertisers are paying $7.24 for my videos, and of which is something to be grateful for. Earnings by ad type: skippable, ads, display, bomber, non-skippable, and the rest. So you guys can see that for a video of 10k that is posted 9 days ago, it's not even up to 2 weeks. 9 days ago, it has been able to make $27.92. And one good part about this kind of content is this kind of content are evergreen content, because they are going to be making money continuously, okay? That is one good thing about this content, this type of content, okay? And you can see that even just for us to go and come back, views to the increase. Anyway, so let's talk. You guys always know that I will definitely say we should talk. So for those ones that are tired of my talking, please don't be tired of my talking, okay? Because I always say this: why do you want to give up on your channel? That is number one. And I always say that the content that you can create and make money is different from, like, the revenue ranges is different from individuals, okay? Some persons can also create this same content and then make more than this amount, okay? I have contents that are related to this particular kind of content, but they have made more than this particular amount. So this is not me discouraging you, because let's calculate 27. Let's just use 27. And as at today, on my poppo list, dollar is 1,300. So let's do the math and do the calculation, okay? Let's do the math for you guys. So if I'm to do the math of this revenue, let me just do 27 times 1,380 naira, of which I know that if I go to black market rate, I'm going to be getting more than this. And you can see that you already have 37,260 naira. 37,260 naira just within a period of 9 days. Hey, Omo. I keep asking you, okay? I keep asking you, if you want to give up, can you just look at this girl and say, no, I am not giving up? Look at this girl and say, no, I am not giving up, okay? See, no matter the kind of content you're creating, no matter how rough it is, no matter how the views are not coming, no matter how the things are not happening, please just do well to keep pushing. Don't ever give up. I will keep saying this. Don't ever give up. If you give up, you are the one that will be on the losing end, okay? As at this time last year, in fact, I can't even make up to this in the whole of my video within a period of 9 days. But now this is just one video making up to this. So this is to encourage you that no matter what you do out there, just know that at the end of the day, you are definitely going to make something out of YouTube. That is the most important thing. That is the most sure thing. Okay. I think I don't want to put plenty advice and plenty pressure, because there's a say that say you can force a horse to the stream, but you can't force the horse to drink water. But me, I want to force you guys to the stream and force you to drink water. As a small content creator out there, as someone that want to give up, as someone that don't want to start creating content on YouTube, I wonder what you are waiting for. Start making content on YouTube. Start creating content on YouTube. Because obviously, I remember when I was working, right, this particular amount of salary, some of my younger colleagues, right, people that are under me are not earning up to this in a whole month. And this is just coming from just one video in a period of 9 days. What are the other videos that are already been there? And this is going to continuously make money. So that's just the beauty of YouTube. Your videos continue to make money till eternity. Until YouTube decide that, oh, my platform, I'm closing the chapter of my platform. Your videos continue to make money till eternity. Anyways, thank you so much for staying stick and hook with me to the end of this video. And I hope this video is able to encourage someone out there. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos. I'm going to say bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'll say bye for now. I love you guys. Mwah.